Are you ready to dive into your musical highlights of 2025? Today I am going to show you how to access your Apple Music replay and relive the best tunes of the year. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your device. First, ensure your device is up to date. For iPhone or iPad users, you need iOS or iPad OS 18.1 or later. Android users should also check for the latest updates. This is crucial for accessing all the new features Apple Music has to offer. Step 2. Open the Apple Music app. Once your device is updated, open the Apple Music app. You will find it on your home screen. Step 3. Navigate to your replay. Now head over to the home tab. Scroll down until you see replay. Your top songs by year. This section will showcase your top tracks and artists from 2025. Step 4. Explore your replay stats. Tap on Listen Back to view your personalized listening stats. Here you can see insights like your most played songs, albums, and artists throughout the year. If you don't see your replay yet, don't worry, just keep listening and a notification will pop up once it's ready. Step 5. Share your highlights. Want to share your musical journey? You can easily share your replay playlist on social media. Just tap on the playlist, select share video, and choose how you want to spread the word about your top tunes. Bonus tips. If you are curious about how you rank among other listeners, Apple Music lets you know if you're in the top 100, 500, or even 1000 listeners for your favorite artists. To ensure accurate results, make sure that use listening history is enabled in your settings across all devices. And there you have it. Accessing and sharing your Apple Music replay is breeze. So go ahead and celebrate your year in music and connect with friends over your favorite tracks. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy listening.